Kwanya aban fa so expend sika in terms of aban na nkasa ne hoka, aban na nkasa ne management, aban na nkasa Jubilee House no how kwa omofa so omoye omusika sem. One of the key factor enam so ma Ghana ban eboka. Enti ono oba beti so. Na ebeye wonwa aye wonwa se. Me hwe video de trema ba akiro. Se enam animu hwe enti. Yewura Mahama say watiti ministers so abasiste. But later I will play a video to you ya packing crofo go Jubilee House or ye tu omo kate se ministers omo nyehwe. Ya packing crofo omo ye deputy chief of staff, deputy media personnel to the president, deputy first aid omo asisa crofo go Jubilee House or ye tu omo ka akatua na ye di tu omo services ye provide more. Okamboma esusene the minister. I will come there later and I will show you videos of those appointments. Now there was one TB. Everything that Mahama promised in opposition has turned to be a rare. It has turned to be a rare organization of crime. A real way of deceiving his own people. Assembly Papa Neka ye bia in opposition as a campaign message were all propaganda. Assembly ni hokaya and obedi akunyoy or yemana ye. Na de me yan say after promising heaven on earth, waba akunyo mu awuntumi nye no. The man is still keeping on promising and people are still clapping for him. I know what I'm talking about. Mahama ne sabio some George Bre are not him. Say Ghanaians are not angry enough because of say now do two kwanya ne convoy cars and a dorso. Now look at Mahama.
Yen na yesika we. And abaku fuo. Enjoy your Ghana yen there. Mahama na ekore. Yen na yesika we. Show yen na ye Ghana. And abaku fuo. Enjoy sano. Hey. Mahama abaku pe o she cars di na chi. Na we man to ababiem.
Bacho munyina mahu. Mahama se wose aban entwitwa ne kaso. Mahama se aban enhyase no ntwitwa ne expenditure so. When he was in opposition. But obedi akonwa no, he is doing more than what was going on. But me convoy na aban team no. Enye problem because to my personal conscience. Meaning say eye normal say amai or no emampanyini free baby akobabia. He need extra protection to get where he's going to. And eye normal so obenya convoy ya eye massive. Na obian to me den emroko obeti esi yako kidnap Mahama gebeye me de. But that should not be the case. But the dienti America safa hone say me a politician, I mean a leader of any political party. na min kodia ban pono. I do understand this. How come say a former president ya wedi akonya pen na onim the implications when you become the first gentleman of the land? Etimi hwe amanfo na nim no ka kire omo say de nana do ya oye bi daache ono ye bi dada bi atwam na onim say eye protocol eye normal no etimi hwe wanim ka kire o say we ono oba onyo obeduru ye no oyo more than that na amanfo nkasa. Look at how many videos were circulating on the media. Say nana do number bi offend saying V8 ahodo edinachi. What has changed? What has made some Ghanaians quiet now? DNT amanfo nkasa biem. Enkrofona na omutwa video de nanti social media TikTok ne TV Sony Facebook ne YouTube. Ekasa nanado is actually spending Ghanaians money for no reason. No. Where are them? And then Mahama is riding with about 28 what them call V8. Apart from Kana or Team No. About 28 V8 any dinachi. And nobody is talking about it. Miriam Godwin, SKB is now called Kakari TV on YouTube. And Timisra wa Kakari TV. Ubenyano ewo Hawaii. Ahmed Ashishawaba. Godwin. Yanko Ponchirao. Me amedofo baba akope Esther K Badima. I am here to say. Me say a chia obi, ma chia opa, me say a chia obi. Pacho tie me yepa. That is what I'm talking about. Abusia me so like video na share mam ne enkoyanim. The question that I'm asking is very, very, very simple. The enam so yekoto abade ma no and say he's coming to cut government expenditure. And a part of the resetting agenda. Papa ne ba ye no. The size of the government in terms of what them call of ministerial position, yatete so. But if you go down to the Jubilee House or you're packing kwasiafo bi ma gu ha e be deputy assistants to the audio of Jubilee House, deputy assistants to the media. Me bana bo video natural. But I just wanted you to understand how clueless, how insensitive His Excellency, the President of the Republic, is. Yankoso na yenti another issue. Me say, bra, nemano dosu, nemano, yebeka ye wieda, but yebegusu ni yaka. Yanto asuna yenko yanim na yembonsem emfiri ho emrafie. Yes, yenti video.
Before to show Ghanaians that yes, we are serious about cancelling it. He does not even know the principle in our constitution that says that you cannot pass retroactive legislation. If you pass legislation, there's something they call ex-gratia. Some years back, it was cancelled for the rest of workers. They don't take any, they are not giving any ex-gratia. But somehow, ex-gratia continues to be paid to this small segment of people, Article 71. And so we said the disparity is not fair. And so I said categorically that when we come into office, we will cancel ex-gratia for the executives, because the president is in charge of the executives, so he can cancel it for the executives. But then you have to persuade the other arms of government to see that there's no fairness in continuing to pay yourselves ex-gratia when the ordinary worker does not receive it. Because you are the leaders. You must show by example. If the economy is in crisis, why should we continue to take ex-gratia when the rest of the public and civil service don't take it? And so I said categorically that we will cancel ex-gratia. And then somebody who should know better, a lawyer, he said, oh, then I should refund all the ex-gratia we took before to show Ghanaians that yes, we are serious about cancelling it. He does not even know the principle in our constitution that says that you cannot pass retroactive legislation. If you pass legislation today, it does not affect what happened in the past. And what he says is a bit silly, because it's like saying that because we've introduced free SHS, all of us should go and get a refund of our school fees that we paid in the past. That is how silly what he's saying is. And so they should state what their position is. Are they in favor of ex-gratia, or they agree with us that we will cancel it? We are saying 2025, when we come, we will cancel ex-gratia.
Okay. Pacho anyabia. Asema Mahama kan yo kan ni twi mu kama. Me kura me nti twi ma ate ase. Pacho ti asema Mahama kan ye. Yewura Mahama says he's coming to cancel ex-gratia. Because according to him, ex-gratia expenditure bia the government of Ghana can get away with it. And I'm saying, omoji ex-gratia ni nyina no. Omoka part of the executive ho. Ye ka aban na nkasa. Enti ono na ye the leader, ono na the head of the executive. And on also na ye the leader of the government machinery. Enti ono oba obema ex-gratia no ya abolish no. Na papa we wo ho. Oye trickish. You know why? Bra Mahama sha say o the ex-gratia issue. E can campaign message hono. That was time when Ghanaians were discussing on other say ex-gratia yentwem anase ma yentwem. But because of desperation of power ntino, papa ne eti ya se Ghana for you to na sha se complain say adenti a yesese sika dodo sa edema ampine some people omo ye adwuma wa aban mu after their tender in office. Mahama tis asem na hu say eya de bi eda youth no akoma so na youth na dwa na amanfo enye in support with that ntino. Papa ne sheda ba bonten ebe take away ex-gratia, that which is, burning on the highest payers' money. Papa will bet now kunyaso. George Frimpong me mo akwa papa. Papa will bet now kunyaso afe any funny. But your ex-gratia no waka ho asemana. Ono so ka say you can say the ex-gratia issue no. Say the mbra ba embrana cannot be retroactive. Enti say anya mbrana ne kakari TV bi amu akwaba. Aha, Godwin. Won kakari TV na ya twe no ase ho no. Eyeski nti nyuma so onyuma ni dire so e do be ko na channel no so. Pacho tie mi yepa. Ex-gratia na papa ne all church mo kan kire wo say emra ye emra kora wo man no mu a. Emra no enko recover na chi na mom ekonanim. So my question that I'm asking, and I say, Mahama, enti ex-gratia na also uba betwemu no. Ube betwemu di ama the next parliament na say you are coming to cancel it for this parliament. Now even the bend down out the mrebi beba eba abolish the payment of ex-gratia. Hey, Mr. Jensi for now. Hey, boha, yeah. Hey, I sempa. Messi, enkrofo na motena ase. Enkrofo na motena ase ma Mahama di ntro kire mo se mo ye janzifo. Enti munim de ye friend Mahama. Na ye ka kire mo na mo se mo nte ase no. Today I have a question for you guys to answer me. This is the third promise and Mahama ma ya ene ye ka ho asem. Wa ya na onye ex-gratia no. After this 10th or 9th parliament way, are they going to pay ex-gratia to the MPs, to the ministers, and to other bodies of the government? So we have not talked about it. We have not heard about it. akofa yenim say MPs omugu parliament on omo ne warning. I don't know. But what remain on the table, and I say that promise has not been fulfilled. That ex-gratia matter no, one of the most difficult things and now me no ka say Ghana for bebre empe. And I'm ex-gratia so ema nipadom ekoto abade mayewura Mahama. Enti se waba ban mu dia, why don't you implement it and let's go? What is holding you not to implement the abolishment of the ex-gratia? Aden wodi nkrofo na adwene di agora na. Aden enna wobedi akonwa yi. Unwa Ibrahim Mahama krono a wo boni woni dinimu ena ye your priority ana. He said the what them call the one job 3 shift 133 no. He say it is not possible. We cannot do it. Yenim dada because America maimu kurampo no. Factories na ye adwuma wo ho no. Enye law bi na ekese omonye. Because of demand on the market and ma amanfo ebi omo factory 24 hours omo tua adwumayefo eka 3 shift a day. Enti enya by law. Anyansafo no die nim. Now, Kohifo no omuji tu mo omukoto abana ma no. They are waiting for it to happen because they want to work. So as soon as Kohifo no omuji tu mo say wo greedy man like you. Papa wotumbe jina amanfo anim ka kire won say you were once a homeless man. Hey. Oh damn God. Wo Mahama. Mahama wunya. Wan kase wunya Ibrahim Mahama etimi twa plane etu plane de Ghana fo a omoyare ko Dubai kosa wonyade esande won bafie wutumi betina TV so kan kire Ghana fo say you were once a homeless guy after you lost power in 2016, after you have amassed the wealth of the country for 4 good years as a president. Utimi ko hwe amabro wa animu amabro wa omusu omo hawo utimi ko hwe omo anim ka kire omo say you were homeless like them. This man me say whoever trusts in Mahama lack common sense. Temi yepa because none of these promises are make year 2016 2012 yekoto abama na obeye president emepum 2016. None of the promises that Mahama made in opposition are ultimate security here. 2024, we are seeing the interaction them. None of his promises will make you know and what me are sustaining. Every day, every show, I will bring you 1 promise, 2 promise of Mahama in opposition, and unfulfillment of the promise in government. And the reactions are this time, Ekita Mahama, in terms of his promise that he made. What else should I add? He's going to cancel the ex-gratia. But now I know say, John Mahama like tour. Or Jituo no we are no wedi. And how would he going to chop the tour? Is by sharing with his guys, his cronies. And then I get him. And no na yeti when Papa Mahama and troning kontompo na ho na yeti create loot and share enti ejiji sika na yesi ma ex-gratia na ya che de amankwase afu binom na omanchi akwakodi enti wona na we the lose wona utran se me de wa adwene di agoro wona na believe say ex-gratia was coming to be abolished and am sunti okoto abadema Mahama no ose ma menka nkyere se wagimi unimu nyansa di mama nibi no ye metwam yamra ne ye metwa di mama nibi no na ye di de wo he na ye di de wo he di bi mama nibi na ene na ema awiado no koso na ye NDC fo no ene wo se metwam Mahama is not going to cancel ex-gratia eni na adwurim. He's thinking about how he can hand over mining side to his brother. So when you fruit Mr. Mahama be cancel ex-gratia, when we are not why disappointed. we disappointed so okay so we are now usu NDC for mo amo twen ora mo amo twen ex-gratia se betwam mo amo twen sese bio fuel price no emmeye dependence of the global market no mo amo twen se mo benya age e fene saying one job 3 shift akobi no mo nyem free mutima se mo nyem free mutima me say frustration ebeba so after the 2028 no you will never regain your body from that. Mimi Joseph Gua me mo akwa abapa. You guys must to get rid of him. Monchi madwene so he can never do that. Enye sa papa ne bedi na kwanwa wie. Odi wie na okwa. Frustration ebeto mo no. Agi se mo kose yan this offices e wo mu district ho nyina. Because we in contomponi he cannot do anything. Entronko a enkontompo nko anye ono nko one ne nkrofo nyina. Ento aso na yenko yanim. Yewura Mahama se omode one ne nkrofo. So omoba na ombediga na man so a omonyo te se de akofo ado yeye because some of the government agencies no Nanado had to borrow to pay their salaries. Papa ye now the finance minister ye friend Ato Forsen at that time stated it credit say sa ban kobobosia na or the ekotua adwumayefo car eche sa ban na ye den ebo krono enti omodie so omoba